Hi, how are you today? This is Shirley, and I'm here to share with you 5 simple truths about breath work that you really need to know, because breath work is at the top of mind for a lot of people as a very important technique that you can use to improve your calm, to reduce stress. So why is it so important? What do you need to know about it? Well, number one, your breath is the gateway to your nervous system. It is the path that helps you consciously affect things like your heart rate, your digestion, the part of that nervous system that we typically don't control. We can control the breath. And therefore, it's a pathway to helping out and balancing our nervous system. The nervous system matters because this is what takes us into fight or flight, stress, or rest or digest, the relaxation part. We want to live mostly in the relaxation part. Number two, an easy technique that is backed up by a lot of research is slow paced breathing. Practicing this, which means inhaling for about 5 seconds, exhaling for about 5 seconds, so that you have 6 complete breath cycles in 1 minute, is a great way to activate the rest and digest part of your nervous system to get out of fight or flight. And consistent practice up to 10 minutes, 3 times a day, has been shown to reduce hypertension, borderline high blood pressure without medication, can reduce hot flash symptoms from menopause, and all manner of stress-related issues. Number 3, if counting the breath cycles or sitting for 10 minutes paying attention to your breath is too much, simply paying attention to your breath is also a powerful tool. Because when you notice your breath, like let's just try this together, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely. Inhaling deeply at your own pace, exhaling completely. And let's try that one more time together. And notice how simply taking 3 breaths with your attention is calming. It's because it takes you out of your thoughts and into your body. And when we pay attention to the breath, we slow it down. So we already start that process of activating the rest and digest, calm part of the nervous system. Number 4, which a lot of people don't know about, is you want to avoid mouth breathing. Now, of course, if your nose is stuffed up and you can't breathe, you've got to breathe through your mouth. However, studies show that it can contribute to high blood pressure and other stress-related issues, and it can actually impact the CO2 levels in your body. So we really want to breathe as often as we can through the nose. And that brings me to number 5, a very important and simple thing you can do every day to improve and enhance your breathing is to simply use a saline spray. You can buy any number of brands at the local drugstore, and you just take a squirt in each nostril and then below your nose. Something as simple as that. Cleaning your nose every morning, and clean it at night as well, because if your sinuses are congested when you go to sleep, you're going to be more likely to snore. So it's very important to simply clean your nose. How easy is that? So breath, gateway to the nervous system. 2, slow paced breathing, breath cycles of 10 to 12 seconds is a proven way to reduce tension. 3, simply paying attention to your breath, even for a few breath cycles, will be calming and bring you into the present moment. 4, try to avoid mouth breathing and bring your attention when you notice your mouth breathing. And 5, clean your nose daily, every morning and every night, just like you brush your teeth, and you'll be on your way to a healthy breathwork practice. So I hope you enjoyed these tips. Please let me know if you're practicing any kind of breath work, what kind that is, and how is it going for you? Or let me know if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. I'd be happy to get back to you. And if you'd like to do some exercises together with me, join my Facebook group, Mindful Moments with Shirley. I hope to hear from you or see you in the group.